Morning, folks. Michael here, Top Priority Auto Detailing. I'm going to turn the camera around here and give you guys a glimpse at what I'm taking care of today, which is a Toyota Tundra 2017. Alright, as you can see here, this bad boy is needing some TLC. So, the white paint, this is going to look really good when we get the exterior done. The wheels are definitely dirty. Go around here, take a look at all this. This is a very good looking truck. It's got about 100,000 miles on it. I'm definitely excited to get this one going. You see all the dirt and the buildup. You see where hands have been touching everywhere on the doors. I'm definitely excited to get this one going, and I'll show y'all the end result when I get there. Y'all have a wonderful Sunday, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey everyone, Michael here with Top Priority Auto Detailing. It's at the end of a long Sunday, but a very productive one, and we're about to go over and show you the final results of this Tundra. So you guys stay tuned. It's coming shortly. So we've got the light on here. This was a really fun detail job. So what we've got going here is, like I said, with the light on, you can see the reflection of the paint. You saw the before video, you see just how dirty it was when it came over here this morning. We've got this rocking and rolling. You see just look at the reflection into this paint. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. A little Adams spray wax to do the trick. We're going all around here with the windows. Down here with the paint. Going all the way around. So hopefully you guys like what you see, and first and foremost I want to thank Austin Irwin for the recommendation to his buddy Curtis for us detailing this Tundra. And before we get done here, we'll come back around here. We're going to open up the door here, show you guys on the inside. It smells like cinnamon rolls, like it always does. When we get done, we spray hot glazed buns deodorizer. You can see we put 303 protectant. Then we had to use leather cleaner and conditioner on the seats. And we close this right here to the back. One of the cool things about this one is he had these WeatherTech floor mats. If you don't have these already, I highly recommend them. Right here. Man, it just smells so good in here. So, but that's the entire detail on the day. And appreciate you guys watching the video, and hope you enjoyed this. Y'all have a good evening.